Yo, what's going on, guys? Chris with Edgebody. Look, if I only had enough time to do one mobility exercise before my workout, personally, I'm going with the world's greatest stretch. The way you set it up, feet shoulder width apart, you're gonna hip hinge forward, hands to the floor, inchworm pattern out until you're in a full push-up position. Whenever you're there, take one leg, swing it out to the side, and bring that foot flat to the floor. Whenever you're there, drop your back knee. From here, you can take this a step further and rotate and twist one hand with your fingertips up towards the ceiling. Make sure your head follows you on the way up as well as the way down. Repeat this pattern about 5 times. Come back up to your plank position, inchworm style back up, stand all the way up, and then you're gonna do it the same thing on the other side. Hip hinge forward, walk those hands out, leg out to the side, drop your back knee, and rotate up, head following your fingertips all the way up and all the way down. Repeating this as many times as you can with the time that you have available before your training session. Give it a shot and let me know what you think.